everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm heading out to Dexter Lake. There's a bridge there, a train bridge. I'm gonna go check it out. Drive up the side of the lake, follow the wash, and find that bridge off to the side of the road, and we're gonna go shoot that bridge. Stop here, get some pictures of the dam, and see what kind of views we have on this side. As you can see, the water's running pretty quick right now. They're letting a good amount of water out on the west side of the lake. Here we are at the upper dam. We're gonna be heading up the north side. The other end of this, that's where the train bridge is. The lake is actually below us, and then this is the holding area for the rest of the water. Highway 58 over there in the distance. That's the train I was waiting for, filled with so much oil. That train is just oil cars. I am so bummed that I missed that train. Thanks for visiting my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.